Yummy breakfast. Yummy Filipino. Ano? Nutella and drink your hot chocolate. Hello everyone. Say welcome to our channel.
Welcome to our channel.
Say kami ang Greek Filipino family here in United Kingdom. So for today's video is nag-bake ako ng ating pambansang tinapay, ang pandesal. At yun yung pang merienda nila at saka tawag to breakfast nila yung pandesal. So, hope you like this video and say enjoy watching.
Enjoy watching.
Ayan na yung dough after 1 hour. Nag-rise na siya. Dumubli. Ayan. So, i-squeeze ko muna to siya. So, ayan na yung pandesal. So, ready to cook na. So, papares muna to ng 5 minutes. Cook ito yung malaking bread. Ayan yung pandesal. Ayan.
Stop scraping.
After 30 minutes, ganyan na siya. Nag-rise up na. Ito yung malaki. So, this time is ilalagay ko na ito sa oven at i-bake ng 20 minutes. At ayan na yung pandesal. Luto na. So, merienda ito ng mga anak ko ngayon. Tapos bukas, ito din ang breakfast nila. Okay, so try the pandesal Filipino bread.
It's a potato.
Hot.
Mommy, you have
I got to eat it after it's hot.
Okay.
Yeah.
But it does smell very nice.
Ayan, kain na sila ng pandesal. So, put Nutella on it. Is it nice? Just plain? Do you like it?
It's soft and fluffy. The milk powder makes it a lot better.
Yeah.
It's yummy.
Do you like it, Jackie?
No, really good. But I want to take the ketchup.
Nutella? Okay. Mommy, I'll get the knife for you, okay? Is it yummy now with Nutella?
Yeah.
Kasi lagyan niya ng toffee. Wait! Supposed to put it in the center, not outside.
Yummy.
Yummy.
The
If
bread
they-
is better than water. Tastes like donut.
Kay Philly, ano lang plain.
I'm gonna put this on next. Tastes like
Jackie
donut.
naman may Nutella. Kay kasi merong toffee. So, do you like Filipino bread?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yummy.
Very yummy.
Or the one filled with the milk powder.
The big one. I just put normal sugar on it. I did not put too much sugar because so just balance the taste. Not sweet and just normal. May isa na sobrang laking pandesal. Ayan, sobrang laki. Pagka-uwi galing work, so diretso nood ng Korean drama bago matulog. So ito yung lagi ko pinapanood every Wednesday and Thursday sa Netflix. Yung Dynamite Kiss. Yan, maganda yan siya. Korean drama. Si Jackie. Ayaw pa mo.
Potato.
Si Jackie. Natulog yan siya kanina. Tapos nagising ngayon. Alas 11 na ng gabi. Kumain ng dingdong. Nagising sa bad dreams niya. Iyak siya ng iyak. Tapos, ayan. Binaba ko siya. Tapos, nanood din ako ng k-drama. Tapos, siya naman kumain ng ding-dong. Do you like ding-dong?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're going back to sleep now or not yet? Oh, no, you make lots of mess. Silly Jackie. Yay! So, yung tinapay na ginawa ko, dinala namin ito sa bahay. So, yan yung breakfast nila ngayon. Yung malaking pandisan. Yung buong pandisan. Hiniwa ni kasi, ayan. Lagyan niya ng tela. Ginawa niyang breakfast. So, do you like Filipino bread? Yeah.
What's Jackie watching?
The duck thing. Story of the ducks. Yan. Pinay na pinay kong kumain. Lagay sa hot chocolate yung tinapay bago niya kainin. Kung sa Bisaya pa, gituslo sa tsokolate.
Sukasa.
Nilagay na ng Nutella sa gitna, tapos binabad pa niya doon sa tsokolate. Puro na tsokolate. Filipino bread para sa Filipino Greek kid. Are you Filipino Greek kasi?
Yes.
Yan yung breakfast ni Jackie, yung pandesal, tsaka hot chocolate din. Filipino bread.
This bread.
Lalulupsi na.
Lalulupsi.
Come, eat your Filipino bread. Eat your breakfast. Come on, eat. Yummy breakfast. Yummy Filipino. Ano? Nutella in there. Drink your hot chocolate. Yung sinampay ko, ito sa likod. Yummy your breakfast? Wait. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta at sa panonood nyo sa aming mga vlog, sa mga nag-subscribe na sa amin. So always and forever, thank you so much sa inyong lahat. At sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, please subscribe our channel. And please like and share our videos. So maraming salamat talaga sa inyong lahat. So see you in the next vlog. See you soon. Bye!